Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. So in previous video, you knew that Algu was facing some difficult time because his one bullock died and other one he sold to Samju Sahu. But Samju Sahu refused to pay the price of bullock as it also died within the very same month which were decided to pay the price at the time of deal. That's why Samju denied to pay the price. Instead, he offered his own bullock for 1 month and then returned it. But Algu did not accept that and decided to take this matter to the village panchayat. So what happened in the panchayat? To know about, look into your book, paragraph number 11. Algu decided to refer the case to the panchayat for a second time in a few months. Preparations for holding the panchayat were made, and both the parties started meeting people seeking their support. So when Sahu denied to pay the price of bullock, Algu decided to take this case to the village panchayat, and within few months the panchayat was being held twice in the village. So both parties started preparation. They started to meet the villagers before the panchayat. They were doing that to get help and support of them in the panchayat as much as possible. As the old aunt earlier did before the panchayat. So now let's see what happened after that. So come to the next paragraph. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Algu stood up and said, "The voice of Panch is the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head Panch. I'll abide by his decision." So after all the preparations, panchayat was held and every villagers gathered under the same banyan tree where they gathered earlier for the old aunt. So when everyone took their seat in the panchayat, Algu stood up and said, "The voice of Panch is the voice of God." It means panchayat always does what is right and just according to justice. It never favor anyone. So I want Sahu to nominate the head Panch, and whomever he would select, I'll be agree. Now come to the next paragraph to know whom Sahu nominated as head Panch. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Jummal. Algu's heart sank and turned pale. But what could he do? So when Algu gave chance to Sahu for nominating the head Panch, he took it as an opportunity and suggested Jumman as head Panch, as he knew very well that Jumman was the enemy of Algu and wanted to take revenge. So Sahu thought that Jumman would give decision against Algu in any condition as he was his enemy. And Algu also felt discouraged and hopeless because of Jumman's nomination. But there was nothing for him to do because he himself allowed Sahu to select the head Panch. So he had no option but accept Jumman as head Panch. So what did Jumman do in the panchayat? Did he take revenge or give fair decision according to justice? Look at next paragraph. The moment Jumman became head Panch, he realized his responsibility as judge and dignity of his office. Could he, seated in that high place, have his revenge now? He thought and thought. No. He must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking truth and doing justice. Although Jumman was Algu's enemy and wanted to take revenge, but when he became head punch, he understood the responsibility of judge and realized the duty of this high position. His inner voice forced him to think. He was in deep thinking and asked himself if it was right thing to take revenge while being seated at such high position. He thought it over again and again, but his inner voice did not permit him and allow his personal feeling to overpower the way of justice and truth. That's all for today. I hope it's very clear to you. And what decision did Jumman made in Algu's case, we'll learn in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.